Right, good evening everyone. I've just got home after a very long day, but it's been absolutely brilliant to see everything that you've all been doing at home. So thank you so much for sharing it with us. Obviously, unlike my teachers, I haven't got the classroom commitment that they all have, uploading things. So I've been trying to be busy today on Facebook, on Twitter and on Instagram, just posting a few things that you can join in with and hopefully enjoy with your child. So I've got myself a Lola. I don't know whether you can see her. She's here. There we are. And I decided that what I'm going to do as part of my contribution to getting us through this time of closure is I'm going to do some nice story reading. So please feel free to share them. Please feel free, thank you Lola, to maybe have it as a bedtime story. You could have it over breakfast in the morning. And I've decided that I'll pick different things every day and you won't get this long introduction every day, I promise. So you'll have to fast forward this bit for the children because I'm sure they won't want to listen to me at the moment. So today I've decided to pick a book from one of my favourite series, and it is the book Mrs. Lather's Laundry by Alan Alberg, and it is published by Penguin. So enjoy this, and when we've finished, we'll say goodnight. Monday was a bad day in Mrs. Lather's laundry. Mr. Lather was having trouble with the ironing. There he is. Miss Lather and Master Lather were having a tug of war with the washing. Mrs. Lather was going crazy. "If I wash one more sock, I will go off my head," she said. "I'm sick of socks. I hate them." After that, Mr. Lather put a notice in the laundry window. It said, "We wash anything except socks." And there's a lovely picture. Tuesday was another bad day in Mrs. Lather's laundry. Mr. Lather was having trouble with a sheet. The children were playing hide and seek in the washing, and they were playing tennis too. And there they are. Maybe that's something you could try over the fence. Mrs. Lather was going crazy again. "If I wash one more vest, I will go off my head," she said. "I am sick of vests. I hate them." And after that, Mr. Lather put another notice in the window. It said, "We wash anything except for socks and vests." Then Mrs. Lather said, "And no pairs of pants either, or shirts or dresses, or tablecloths or hankies. I'm sick of them all. I hate them." After that, the children put another notice in the window. It said, "We wash anything except laundry." So there's Mrs. Lather, and just down here you can see the lovely notice going in the window. Wednesday was a quiet day in Mrs. Lather's laundry, but Thursday was a surprising day. First, a customer came in with a baby. "We do not wash baby clothes," said Mrs. Lather. "I don't want you to wash his clothes," said the customer. "I want you to wash him." "Oh," said Mrs. Lather, and she washed the baby. After that, more customers came in with their babies. There were rich customers and poor customers, old customers and young customers. There was big customers with a little baby and little customers with a big baby, and lots more customers besides. At first, Mrs. Lather washed the babies and was very happy. "I like washing babies," she said. "I love them." But by the end of the day, she was sick of them. And a notice went in the window that said, "We wash anything except laundry and babies." There she is. Friday was another surprising day in Mrs. Lather's laundry. A customer came in with a baby and a dog. "We do not wash babies," said Mrs. Lather. "I do not want you to wash the baby," said the customer. "I want you to wash my dog." "Oh," said Mrs. Lather. And she washed the dog. And after that, more customers came in with dogs. There were big dogs and little dogs, long dogs and short dogs, happy dogs and sad dogs, black, brown and spotty dogs. And lots more beside. At first, Mrs. Lather washed the dogs, and then she got sick of them. And Mr. Lather washed them, and he got sick of them too. And the children washed them, and by the end of the day, the notice went in the window and said, "We wash anything except laundry, babies and dogs." Fancy a wash, Lola? She's just come back. She left when I said about washing a dog. Saturday was the worst day of all. Mrs. Lather washed a tramp, a car, a football team and an elephant. The elephant was from the circus. Mr. Lather and the children washed the elephant too. And then they got sick of it. The elephant washed them. There he is. Sunday was a good day, Mrs. Lather's laundry. The notice in the window said closed. When Monday came round again, Mrs. Lather was feeling cheerful. "You'll be going crazy today, Mum," the children said. "No," said Mrs. Lather, "I feel cheerful now." And she began to laugh. After all, what could be worse than elephants? Well, 6 elephants. So, Mrs. Lather's Laundry there by Alan Alberg, published by Penguin. So, I hope you've enjoyed it. Join me tomorrow and there'll be another little story coming your way. Right, good night everyone. Enjoy, keep safe and sending you lots of love and prayers from all of us here at St. Gabriel's. Bye.